It's just that eagerness to share, and even the loneliness to share. So I spend that with them. Sometimes I just sit on the bench and somebody would approach me and say, "Are you free today?" And I say, "Yeah, why?" "I need somebody to accompany me to the court." "Court? I haven't been to court myself." "What will I do there?" "No, just sit with me." "Really?" "Yeah." And then I go to a court, a very imposing, a very intimidating situation. And I would feel my heart beating this way. You could only measure it. And I would look at the person. Many times I did this. I would look at her and think, if I, who was not even related to this case, involved in this case, is feeling this way, how would she be feeling at this moment? So it's, these are all adding up to me, not realizing yet. So I just went, and many times I would be asked to accompany them to a labor conciliation meeting. What would I do? I would just sit there, and you don't have to say anything. If the officer allows me, I would be there with them, and if the employer allows, that's the other party. If the other party allows, then I can sit, and I can sit, and I could see the imbalance. When somebody says, when the migrant would say, "She has to pay me a whole month's salary in lieu of notice because she drove me out of the house at 2 a.m. and I had nowhere to go." And the officer would say, "Yes, you have to pay her." "No, I'm not going to pay her." According to the law, you have to pay her. If you don't do it here, then you will have to go through the tribunal. "Oh, I don't want the trouble. Okay, I'll pay her half of it." "No, you have to pay me full." "No, half. Just half." "Oh, okay. And then I would say, "No," she says, "she has to be paid full." "Miss Telez, I allowed you to be here, but you have to shut your mouth up. Otherwise, I'll ask you to step out." Okay. And there's no way, even if I kick her and say, "No, don't accept that," she would just say, "Okay, it's okay." And I've seen a lot of that. And so that's how somehow taught me how to do things and explain to the person, when this is said, you can say this. Remember, this is your right. These are your rights. So that taught me a lot.